Good morning. This is Hassan with student ID 15287, and today's assignment presentation is going to be on the course Global Information System Strategy, and the topic that I've chose is BYOD, which stands for Bring Your Own Device. The main agenda behind this whole project is what exactly is BYOD? What's the meaning, the whole point behind Bring Your Own Device, and how do we manage the architecture of the BYOD? What are the benefits towards it? And obviously there are certain challenges and risks involved, so we'll come across them in the following presentation. And companies which have been using this technology so far, and what is the actual infrastructure that is required. And at the end, of course, we'll give some conclusion about the whole thing. So let's proceed. The first thing would be the introduction to BYOD. As the name itself suggests, and many of you know, BYOD stands for Bring Your Own Device. For example, you can take mobile devices like smartphones, tablets, or maybe laptops, or many more things which are in the market these days. It can be used by organizations only after applying Privacy Act 1980, which is like a legal requirement. So basically we got to stick to this. It is a new concept which actually helps employees to use their devices, which can be used at both work and for the personal use as well. So which is like a very good advantage, that you don't have to use two different devices. BYOD, the concept itself. So the concept as itself, the name itself suggests, it's nothing but bringing in new technologies, be it technology or software, which can be BYOT, which stands for Bring Your Own Technology, and you can bring in your own software as well. So let's continue and proceed further. So on this particular site that you see on your screen, it's nothing but the management, or say managing architecture of the device, say Bring Your Own Device. It's actually managed by Mobile Device Management, which also can be named as MDM. The issues that are considered by the MDM would be, first would be device management, and security being the issue, so it has to be on the second stage, security management. And then comes the file synchronization, which is actually helping you to transport the data from point A to point B. Going further, it would also be very handy with the cloud services, wherein it's all done over the wireless thing. So you need not have a network based of wires. It can be done over the wires, without the wires, I'm sorry. It can be done on the cloud service, which is basically wireless services. And the characteristic, the 5 main characteristics for managing this, it would be resource pooling, broad network access, which means like it's spread out globally, rapid elasticity, measured service, on-demand self-service. Well, with this new technology, which is Bring Your Own Device, or say Bring Your Own Technology, or say Bring Your Own Software, there are certain benefits attached to it. So I'll take you through a few benefits, which would be basically it's like a wide data, so the data is readily available, and it is very productive and efficient. It would also support an employee to be really flexible from work, like he can work from home, or he can work from any place. He need not be at one particular point to access his data in order to get to the working zone. So it's basically he can work from any point. It's just that the device that's going to be helpful. And the personal information is on the same device, the one that has been used. So it would be very easy for you to fetch the data and then work on it. And as this is the new technology and there's a lot put into it, so communication would be faster and efficient. So that has the primary criteria, the communication which needs to be faster in today's world. So yeah. All right, let's go to the next slide. With every new technology, there's certain challenges and risks involved. So I'll take you through a few of them. So security, as always, remains the great challenge in this technology as well. And there are so many devices available in the market today, so there would be a lot for you to deal with the different operating systems. So for instance, say if a person using an iPhone, he's got to use the iOS and BlackBerry and so many different ones, as you know. And contracts, laws, and policies, like I just told you about the legal requirement for using this technology, it is challenging for the bring your own device as well, because the legal things, they don't come easy. And the business data would be confidential. Spamming and phishing, as always, remains similar to the other technologies as well, which makes it prone for the break-ins. So its security, as always, like I said, remains a great challenge. So let me proceed further. A few companies that I've come across in my research that have been using bring your own device so far would be Intel,
Apple, which is widely used these days, Colgate and Union Bank as well. Then comes the infrastructure, in which wireless control networks, access layer switches, identity service engines, and certification of authority servers. Let's proceed further. Cost benefits, which shows the cost flows and the cumulative flow. Here come with all the charts with the sensitive analysis as well.
Alright, in conclusion, we can say that this new technology, which is bring your own device, is very handy and is very reliable and very efficient and cost effective, which helps the staff member to choose the own device of their choice, which would make their job easier, and they would definitely have a satisfaction of having their own device to work with. With the help of this bring your own device, it is efficient and innovative of the company's increases, so it's always taking a company to a different level, with an employee working on an assignment with his own device would always be a pleasure. So that concludes this assignment, and the following slide tells us about the lessons that we've learned that I've already told you about, like infrastructure, like technical knowledge, benefits, risks, cost effective strategy, and many more things in a company's environment. And last but not the least would be the referencing. So I thank you all. I hope you like my presentation. Thank you.